Hello students, welcome to awareness session on open elective course Object Oriented System Design. This is Mr. R.P. Vijay Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Dr. Mahalingam College of Engineering and Technology. Course Objective: to impart the knowledge on software lifecycle models, derive the requirements for a software system, analyze classes with appropriate relationships, design classes, interfaces and subsystems, develop functional object-oriented software. Without any systematic approach, how software is developed, that is explained here. In the initial picture, you can see how the system, the customer has explained the system. Okay, so he is asking a 3-stage swing. The project leader understanding as a single stage, and the system analyst is designed like without a stem, and the programmer program like there is a swing but it doesn't swing. How the business consultant, he is describing it as a sophisticated sofa and it can swing like that, but the project documentation is very wide, and the operations installed are there is a rope without a swing, and the customer here is billed as a excursion like a bill, so he is billed so much, but the support was null, and what the customer really needed is a swing with a tire. Okay, so there is a gap between the customer expectation and his explanations and understanding of the project leader. So there is a problem resides in explaining and understanding the requirements between the customer as well as the project leader. And the solution for the problem is OOSD. So what is OOSD? Object Oriented System Design is a software design technique that is used in software design in object oriented programming. OOSD is developed by Edward Jacobson in 1992. OOSD is the first object oriented design methodology that employs use cases in software design, and OOSD is one of the precursors of Unified Modeling Language UML, such as Booch methodology and OMT methodology. Object-oriented programming concepts. There are various kinds of object-oriented programming concepts. Some of you have studied in Java, C++, like object-oriented programming languages like class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism and inheritance. All are described here along with the software engineering techniques. OOSD is a systematic approach of a software development which includes requirement gathering, analysis, design, implementation and testing model. OOSD flowchart. Use case diagrams are initially created, and based on the use case diagrams, requirement model, analysis model, design model, implementation model and testing model is created. Each model consists of separate diagrams. Requirement model consists of use case diagram and it specifies the object domain, and analysis model, it explains about the analysis diagram, and design models, which consists of state chart diagram and interaction diagram. Each diagram provides various specific perspective about the software that is being developed. Syllabus overview. Unit 1, software process. And software process, it explains about what is the software process structure and the steps and various models available. And Unit 2 explains about the requirement modeling. It includes the use case relationship, use case modeling, everything. Unit 3, analysis modeling. It explains about the activity diagrams. And design modeling, Unit 4, that is explain about the basic and advanced state chart diagrams as well as the interfaces. Syllabus overview. Unit 5, implementation, testing and deployment, and it explains about how the software testing is done, and after testing how it is deployed. Textbooks we are using is Software Engineering, a Practitioner's Approach, 8th edition, Roger S. Pressman and Bruce X. Maximum, and Jim R. Lowe book, UML2 and the Unified Process, practical object-oriented analysis and design. OOSD benefits. Some benefits of the OOSD are it provides modularity for easier troubleshooting, and inheritance. It helps for the reusing of code, and polymorphism, which includes flexibility of programming, and effective problem solving is provided by the OOSD ideology. Application of OOSD in business. User interface design such as Windows menus and real-time systems also can be developed using the OOSD, and object-oriented databases. Nowadays various databases are created using object-oriented methodology only, and artificial intelligence and expert systems, AI-based systems are developed as a result of OOSD, and neural networks and parallel programming, decision support and office various automation systems. They are developed using OOSD. OOSD provides a methodology using which a software can be modeled and developed from its initial stage. Not only from the initial stage, but also already existing software can be modified with various updates, and that is maintained for clients for very long period. The job opportunities. Some software based jobs are provided using the OOSD models, and most of the nowadays the companies are expecting like the users would be a full stack developer. Along with that, using OOSD, a person can be a software developer and a software design engineer, software architect, business analyst, DevOps engineer, software test engineer. This is the faculty contact details. In case of any doubt regarding this course, you can ask the specified faculty here. Thank you for watching the session.